First redfish out here in forever. No spots. We're gonna have a day. Oh, stuck it. Stuck it. Dude, look at this tank. What kind of day are we having here? Artificial. What the hell is going on today? I'm just so happy. I'm so happy right now. Thank you guys for watching. One of the best days we've had in a while, so I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, so typically when I come out here, these snook like to hang out right on the bank by these mangroves and that beach shoreline right here. So I'm going for snook today primarily. I got a little power prawn on a false helix twist lock, 1/8 ounce. I've got 15-pound braid tied up to some 30-pound tippet. I know that's still light for big snook, but we don't really have any structure here to be dealing with, so we'll try this first. Got some live shrimp too. Maybe try for some sheepshead. Try to put something in the cooler that's not a snook, obviously. And a little some of everything today. We'll see how it goes. That a redfish? Redfish. That is not what I was expecting at all. This is my first redfish I caught out here in so long. I think that was the first cast, which is not a good sign, but first redfish out here in forever. No spots. We're gonna have a day. I know somebody on the channel was saying, but they've been trying to catch a no spotter forever, and this is 2 in a year. Beautiful. He's real like silver almost with this watercolor out here. Oh, I'm pumped. Let's have a day. Oh. Came off. They're like barely tapping it. That first redfish I didn't even feel. I think I like jigged it and then he was on, but I didn't really feel it. It felt like it was on bottom or something. So I gotta really pay attention here. Felt a little tap there. He's just a little guy, but that's a good sign. Glad I put the 30 on there because he's already fraying it. Alright, get him back in the water because he's bleeding. But we just need a trap for a slam already. Clean my bag off because he crapped on me. I gotta retie this. Now we're getting back to action. That's why you always have to pay attention right there. I was just letting it sit, adjusting my shorts so I don't get sunburned, and something had it. Started pulling a little drag and just never got the hook set. Be better. Be better, Boca Gaff Junior. Oh, see? Now I'm all flustered. Let's regroup here. Get in the zone. Oh, stuck it. duck. Yeah, that's a better snook. Dude thumped the shit out of it. Go ahead, run. Run, run, run. That's one of the best feelings, just to feel that thump. Come on in, buddy. So, I mean, this is a good sign. It looks like they're hanging out right where I thought they would. In a little bit, I'm gonna work the rest of this shoreline up to that mangrove there with the same lure, and then I'm gonna backtrack. Look at that hook set. I'm gonna backtrack and fish a little deeper, the same places I was just fishing, just to double check to see if they're not hanging out deep, the big ones. But I mean, this one is not too shabby. Not too shabby. Very strong. Love catching snook in the wintertime. They fight like hell. Bye. Alright, so I got nothing dragging this low and slow on the bottom, but I've got these kayakers stirring up the flat that I was gonna work, so that's okay. I got some live shrimp. We're gonna go over the trestle, maybe catch some sheepshead. I don't know. I'm not very experienced. See if I can't bring some home today. Nope. Foul of the grouper. This grouper, man, they hit like freight trains. Take that back, thank you. What is that? Is that a sheepshead? I guess it is a sheepshead. Oh, he had the teeth. Weird. Alright, I'm gonna take a break with the sheep for a while. It was kind of slow. I got one, maybe two. I don't know what that last one was. I got a trout spot. I'm just gonna knock out that inshore slam while I'm over here. And see how it goes. We'll double back and probably do the same thing that I started with in reverse. So let's see what happens. Alright, well, this may be one of the smallest slams I've ever caught, but slam nonetheless. Maybe I'll try to get a better looking trout. Another small trout. I'm just gonna kind of like work my way back that way, and maybe I'll get a keeper trout, maybe I won't, but I'm just looking for the difference in the coloration on the water. Like, I don't know if you could see, it's kind of dark, but you can see the flat there, the water's a little darker, and then in the middle of the water's blue, and they just sit right on the edge of the flat. And I could do this all day, but trout aren't really my thing unless they're big, and springtime's coming up soon, so that's when we'll be going for them more. It's a better one. And I'll put the camera back in hindsight mode. I've just been trying to conserve energy because I only had a battery and a half, but it's getting toward the end of the trip, so hopefully we can get some good hook sets on camera. Holy shit, that's a big grouper. That's a big grouper. He's gonna frame me. Oh wait, is that a sheep? No way. No way. What is this? Oh my god, it's a sheep. Oh my god. Look at this tank. I don't have a net. Man, I thought that was like a juvenile Goliath for a second there when he was flashing. Come on, boy. Yo, let's go. Are you serious? Look at this slob. Absolute slob, dude. Let's go. He's coming home. The sheepshead fishing was rough today, but persistence pays off. Let's get a measure. Well, Dad's gonna be upset because I now also own the biggest sheep in the family. 17 inches. But that's what I'm talking about, man. We got a slam. We got my biggest sheep. Man, let's keep this going. I still got more shrimp, and I still got that flat to go fish for snook. It's another sheep. Might be a keeper. He's fighting pretty good. Might be like just at 12. Let's see. This is the method, man. I was getting blown all around earlier, trying to stay in one position, and I've just been like holding myself in one spot, leaning on the trestle there. Man, all these sheep are beat up. Yeah, he's 13. You're coming too, pal. You're coming too. All right, we got a couple shrimp left, but I was just getting tired of the sheepshead fishing. Just getting banged up into that trestle a bunch, and I want to come try to catch some snook and redfish out here. So I'm gonna put the camera back on hindsight, and I'm back at this shoreline we started at, and I think I'm gonna do the power prawn on the Hawes Helix weedless hook. See if they're hanging out in the shallows, and just work the whole shoreline real slow. And then I'll probably pack it in. I do have some fish to fillet, so it's been a good day so far. Let's see if we can make it better. Jesus, dude, are you serious? What kind of day are we having here? What kind of day are we having? A barracuda on the power prawn. Like, what? That's just bizarre. I mean, we catch them every once in a while, but on something. Oh my God, you gotta be shitting me, dude. That's a sheep. That's a keeper sheep on the power prawn. Big old keeper sheep on the power prawn. Are you kidding me? Oh shit, he's flopping and he's off. He's off the hook. And we got sheep on the power prawn. Artificial. What the hell is going on today? He's stabbing the hell out of my leg, but I can't let him. He's off the hook. Stay. No, he's almost out. I'm trying to be extra careful here. That's another keeper. Not what I was expecting on the artificial, but we'll take it. We will continue this crazy day. He's coming home too. That's something. Not a trash fish, I don't think. That's another sheep. Another sheep, dude. I don't think he's a keeper, but I mean, we used up all our shrimp. That was literally my last one. It's on a freaking trout-eye jig head. Not expecting anything. And even if we're not taking him home, this has been a hell of a day. Hell of a day. Guys, I mean, what a way to end the day. Last shrimp that we had in the bucket. We ended up with another keeper sheep to bring home for dinner. That's 4 on the day. I'm so happy right now. We got a slam, redfish, snook, trout. We got 4 keeper sheep. We got a barracuda, a couple grouper, different species of grouper. I mean, it's just a crazy day. I'm gonna go home, clean this stuff up, fillet these fish, and get to cooking. We'll see you in a bit. All right, here's what the fillets look like. Looks like the last one I caught, that was the one on the power prawn. Didn't get a chance to bleed him very well, but the rest look pretty great. We're gonna get cooking after I clean myself up. All right, so we looked up a recipe online for a sauce for the fish, but we're gonna kind of make it our own a little bit. We're gonna do some butter. We got salt and pepper, some flour in there to thicken it up, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of shallot, because everybody likes shallot, some parsley, red pepper flakes, and we're cheating on the garlic. We're not chopping it fresh, we're just doing it from the jar. That's gonna be the sauce. We're gonna bread up the fish with some all-purpose flour after we season it a little bit. And we're gonna just do the fish and the sauce at the same time because it shouldn't take too long. So let's get started. Nice and floured up, seasoned. I'm gonna throw them, fry them in some butter while we're doing the sauce at the same time. I'm gonna throw in the rest of the stick of butter for the fish. Fry it in the butter. It's a little hot, so we'll leave that over there for now. And then 5 tablespoons of butter are gonna be for the sauce. I'm gonna get these shallots going now while the rest of that butter melts. Let's get some fish down. Just the big boy first. Do a little bit of garlic in there. Not too much because my dad hates garlic. All right, now we're gonna do flour in here a little at a time just to thicken it up. See how that goes. All right, that's about 1.5 minutes. Nice golden brown there. Nice, about another 1.5 minutes there. Might need to add some more butter there so it's not brown. I'm gonna do just a little bit of lemon, nothing crazy. Don't like when the lemon's overpowering. And then a little bit of red pepper flakes, not a lot, so I don't want my mouth to be burning. Alright, let's see how this fish looks here. Nice. Nice. What we need. Fish too. parsley in because we're almost done. Just a lot of parsley. That sauce. See how it tastes. Looks pretty good. All right, last round. Let's get them plated. All right, that's it. Never done it before, but it was a great day of fishing, and we just got this recipe off the internet, tweaked it a little bit, so hopefully it tastes delicious. But thank you guys for watching. One of the best days we've had in a while, so I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And we'll see you next time.